I'm in central Nevada and I just crossed this little brook. The source is up there inside this canyon. It's a nice little spring. Wow, tongue twister. This flows down into a much larger river that's over there. And I stopped to show you guys this. I mean, look at these trees. It's just so neat. I'm parked a little bit further up inside the canyon because I was checking out other things that looked like structures but turned out to be nothing. I figured I'd come back down here and film this. Now that is neat. I like this little place. Of course, you can tell this is right here is a newer structure. The original ranch house or bunkhouse or line house, I don't know exactly what this is. This might have actually been a line area or a line ranch or a line corral, because there's a major ranch site on the other side of this mountain. So this might have been a line house. You can still kind of smell propane off of this. It's leaking. Hear it? Oh, none of the valves are turning. It's a leaking. No wonder you can smell propane. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that light green, that's where the spring is that's feeding that brook. Surprised nobody's turned this into a desert cabin. Looks like somebody was thinking about doing that. That's what it almost looks like. Like I said, I think this was probably the original line house. I love round timbers. Yeah, that's not cement, that's mud. So they chinked it with mud. Nice. Got a pretty big little corral. The barbed wire fence you see running on the perimeter goes all the way back up in there. Looks like they probably might have had chickens here. And a little chicken door there. And A lot of hawks and falcons in this area. We have to protect them. That's why there's a roof on the chicken pen. And there's the chicken coops. Don't know what they had in this one. It might have been a tack shed, because it looks like it had shelving and such. Who knows? Yeah, one of the very interesting things hidden in Nevada. I love these places. I might look into doing some work and turning that into a, what's the word I'm looking for? Desert cabin. Man, I'm having trouble with my words today. You guys made it to the very end. I appreciate you. Let's get you excited, do some exploring on your own. Do it. Have fun. Be safe. I'll catch you on the next one, and I'm going to head a little bit further up into the canyon.